has some American Standard, Heritage 13. These are heat pumps. Heritage means heat pump. Heritage 13. These are 13 SEER from 2006, September of 2006. Model numbers. I'm not going to read the whole thing. It takes too long. 510. 60. I would have kept filming when I was filming them over there, but I didn't see these. This is from 2006, and that's a 510 as well. Oh. Heritage 13s. Oh my god, it's squeaking. The car just drove by. I don't want to get caught, but yeah, these are good units. American Standard, oh my gosh, more squeaking. I trust American Standards, there's more American, there's another American Standard, Heritage 13. I'm going to take a guess it's probably from, oh, this one's from 2007, this one's fairly new. Well, this one's newer than those ones, those other ones were fairly new too. Anyways, here we have a ductless unit, which is running. Oh, dang, this thing is quiet. Dang. Oh, there's a spider. Dang. Gree inverter. Never heard of that. Gree ductless unit. I don't want to get caught. It's a unknown ton from 2011. And a Trane possibly XB something. XB13, I knew it. 2006. Yeah, these are all fairly new. Spider web. Ain't touching that. That's a Trane. Oh god, I can't get back there because it's a big spider web. What the heck, I'll crush it with my foot. I don't want to get bit by a spider though. I don't know. This is just going to be called lots of air conditioners at a doctor's office or something like that. I don't know. Possibly Trane, American Standard air conditioners or heat pumps, I guess. The doctor's office. I think these are heat pumps. I mean, I know some American Standards are because they're heritage. Gosh, there's a lot here. The data is faded on this one. And, dang, there's a lot. The data's faded on this one too. That or they didn't, that one doesn't even have a Trane emblem. Oh, here's the data. 2006, that's the Trane emblem too. I don't like it when these Trane units like fade the color, but they're just sun bleach. It's not their fault. Trane's one of the most reliable and best units around. Anyways, over and out. This video is getting extremely long, so over and out.